Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling voice control so commands work reliably. Power on the GoPro and unlock the screen, then go to Preferences and toggle voice control on. You must download and install any firmware updates if the camera prompts you. Updates often fix recognition and add commands. Once done, make sure the mic is unobstructed. A case or cover can muffle input. You'll know it's ready when the status shows voice control active. Now, you can move to pairing and practicing commands. Next, set language and permissions so the GoPro understands you. In Preferences Voice Control Language, pick the option that matches your accent. This improves recognition accuracy. Make sure the camera and the GoPro app have microphone permissions on your phone, otherwise pairing and remote testing will fail. Then adjust sensitivity or wind reduction settings if available, and run sample commands like GoPro Start Recording to confirm. If the camera mishears you, lower background noise, move closer, and test again until responses are consistent. Finally, use voice commands in real conditions. Speak clearly and use the exact phrase that the GoPro expects, because small changes can break recognition. For continuous shooting, say the command once, then confirm the red recording LED. This verifies the camera heard you. If it's unresponsive, restart the camera, check battery level, and ensure firmware is current. These steps resolve most failures. If problems persist, reset voice control to factory defaults. This clears corrupted settings and often restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.